What do you look like? Hello, this is my personal description word. In this three to detail some of my tasks. Personal aspect and physical traits, therefore, hope you like teacher. Then we start. My personal description. Hello, my name is Karen Natalia Ortega Cuellar. I am from Almero, Guayabal. Second semester of Civil Engineering. I am 60 years old. I measure 152, weight 50 kilos. I like fancy clothes to athletes attend a meeting if I am in my viaje. I like sportswear to be comfortable. I like to attend meetings and celebrations with my family. I like to attend parties. My personal description. My face is round like skin color. My edges are little like off colors. I wear precision glass. The shape of my nose is gray according to the research I did. My eyelids are short. My eyebrows and deep profile. My hair is small, long and light brown, and is what take care of my most of me. My lips are thin as small.